Hello dear students, welcome back on Take Chemistry Point. Let's start today's lecture. In previous lecture, we discussed the formation of molecules, and in today's lecture, we will discuss the difference between a molecule and a compound. Atom, molecule, compound. You know, atom is the smallest particle of matter which may or may not exist independently. It's a simple definition of atom. Now, we will discuss the definition of molecule. When two or more than two similar or dissimilar elements combine together is called a molecule. It means अगर two same elements combine होंगे तो molecule बनेगा. अगर two different elements भी combine हो रहे हैं तो वो भी molecule की formation करेगा. Molecule is the smallest unit of a compound and it is the smallest particle that can exist freely. हम previous lecture में ये discuss कर चुके हैं कि जो atom है वो इंडिपेंडेंटली नेचर में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, वो किसी न किसी एलिमेंट के साथ बॉन्ड बना के मॉलिक्यूल की फॉर्मेशन करता है. हियर द सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. H2 and O2 are molecules in which same type of elements combine, while H2O and NH3 consist on different types of elements which combine to form molecule. Now the definition of compound. A compound contains atoms of different elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio, and compounds are represented by their chemical formulae. In a compound, elements must be different. For example, carbon dioxide and its chemical formulae is CO2. 1:2 is the fixed ratio of carbon dioxide. Formulae of water is H2O and its fixed ratio is 2:1. अच्छा, यह फिक्स्ड रेशो का क्या मतलब है? देखें, जैसे वाटर का फिक्स्ड रेशो है 2:1, मीन्स 2 हाइड्रोजन हो और 1 ऑक्सीजन का एटम हो. जब ये आपस में बॉन्ड बनाएंगे तो वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स या फिर कंपाउंड की फॉर्मेशन होगी. ये रेशो आपको सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स में नहीं मिलेगा, बल्कि आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में चले जाएं, वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स का यही फिक्स्ड रेशो होना है. अगर आप इस फिक्स्ड रेशो को चेंज करना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि आप 2 हाइड्रोजन लें और 2 ऑक्सीजन के एटम्स लें, तो एक न्यू कंपाउंड की फॉर्मेशन होगी, जिसे हम हाइड्रोजन परऑक्साइड कहें. और अगर 3 हाइड्रोजन के एटम्स और 1 ऑक्सीजन का एटम हो तो हाइड्रोनियम आयन की फॉर्मेशन होगी. इट मीन्स किसी भी कंपाउंड की फॉर्मेशन के लिए एटम्स का फिक्स्ड रेशो होना लाजमी है. NH3 and NaCl are also the example of compounds. Now we will differentiate the molecules and compounds. Here we will discuss some examples. Here the chemical bond is formed between two similar atoms of hydrogen. So we know that when two similar atoms combine, it will form the formation of molecule. So it fulfills the definition of molecule, but it is not a compound, because for compound elements must be different. Second one is phosphorus, which is consist of 4 similar atoms of phosphorus. So you know that similar atoms of any element just describe the definition of molecule. So we can say that it is a molecule, not a compound. Third one is H2O, which is consist of 2 different elements. So it fulfills the definition of molecule and compound. So we can say that H2O is a molecule and also a compound. NaCl is not a molecule, it is a compound, because NaCl is ionic compound, and ionic compounds don't exist in discrete units. So all molecules consist of discrete units. Ozone is also a molecule, not a compound, because it contains same type of atoms. So now we summarize our topic. Dear students, remember that point. All molecules are not compound, but all compounds are molecules, except ionic compounds, because ionic compounds don't exist in discrete units. Ionic compounds always exist in bulk structure. So dear students, that was all about today's lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.